Are you okay, guys? Oh, I was so worried about you. Whew, that was something, right? Do you know what's my favorite candy to eat in this season? Like this Halloween season? I'm going to show you. Do you know what is this? Yeah, it's candy corn. I just love candy corn so much. This is my favorite candy, like in Halloween. So I'm hoping that you are enjoying a lot of candy corn too. And today I have 3 amazing recipes for you. Now that we are talking about Halloween treats, so the first one is going to be some spider cookies. The second one, some bloody syringe soda, but actually it's not real blood, so don't worry, and it tastes delicious. And the third one, and my favorite, is going to be cookies and cream cheesecake, graveyard cheesecake. Ooh, so spooky. Actually, that one is my favorite. It's so delicious. Believe me, it's so delicious. It looks cute and creepy at the same time. So I hope you like it, and if you try it, please let me know. And now I'm just going to enjoy this candy corn. Oh, I love candy corn so much. It's so delicious, guys. So delicious. Let's go. Our first recipe is going to be the spider cookies. We're going to need any round cookies, chocolate balls, dark and white chocolate, and something to mix them. I'm going to use chopsticks for painting. First, melt the dark chocolate by putting it in the microwave for 30 seconds each time, mixing it well. Now, with the chopstick, grab some melted chocolate and draw the spider legs into the cookie. Just like this. Now, grab one of our chocolate balls, add some chocolate and put it in the middle of the legs. Repeat it with another one and put it behind it. Then melt the white chocolate with the same technique as before. Draw 2 points in the middle bowl with white chocolate. After it hardens, add 2 smaller ones with dark chocolate. And now you can die of cuteness. Our next recipe is the bloody syringe soda. We're going to need a jelly mold, syringes, gelatin powder, any transparent soda, glasses, a pot, a liter of water, a scoop, and a fork. First, boil half of the water, turn it off and add the gelatin powder. Mix it well. Then add the rest of the water and mix it again. Let's open our syringes. We're going to twist the upper part to remove the needle, like this. We only need the body of the syringes. Now let's put some gelatin inside them by pulling the bottom part. Looks like blood. And put them in your fridge. Pour the rest of the gelatin in the mold and also put it in the fridge. When it is solid, break it with a fork. And put it in the bottom of the glasses. Then add the soda and put the syringes inside. It's spooky and so bloody. Now let's prepare the cookies and cream cheesecake graveyard. We're going to need Oreos and any oval-shaped cookies, condensed milk, cream cheese, ground coffee, some water, white and black chocolate, green vegetable coloring, and a fork. I'm using flower pots as bowls. First, we're going to separate the Oreos like this. We're going to use both parts. Then, mix the water with the coffee. This should be a strong coffee. Now, put the cookies without the cream part in the coffee, and then put them in the flower pots as soil. Now, let's mix the cream cheese with the condensed milk until it is smooth. I'm adding 3 drops of green colorant and mixing it. Then pour the Frankie mix in the flower pots. Spooky. Now, my favorite part. Put the rest of the cookies in a bag and smash it until all the stress is relieved. Ha 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 ha. Really guys, this feels so good, and mix it well. Then put it over the Frankie mix. Now let's melt a mix of the black and the white chocolate 30 seconds each time in a microwave until we have the perfect gray color. Then cover 2/3 parts of the cookies with the chocolate and let them dry. Then, with melted black chocolate, I'm going to write "Rest in Peace" with a skewer stick in each cookie. Place them in the graveyard and you're done. Spookily delicious. Hi guys, this is Rutsy here and I hope you like it, enjoy it. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe and turn the notifications on